For those of you who are interested in getting a Tosca free trial, simply go to the FAQ, and here it says, what do you need to install before you can complete a hands-on course? And you need to request a training license request. Click on that. You need to make sure you're logged in, and so just create an account. It's very straightforward. Click on Cloud and then click Submit License Request, and it'll tell you thank you for submitting your license request. We'll send you an email with additional information as soon as your license is available. And as you can see, because I've already requested this license half an hour ago, I can't request this third one. But I'll get an email eventually, and then I can start activating that license and then download Tricentis products. You can click on here. And then you could download Tosca from here. It's quite a big file, 1.3 gigabytes. It'll take about a minute to download, but you should be good to go. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave something in the comment field. Like, subscribe. Cheers, bye.